Hi, this is Aaron with Kixie. We're going to take a look at call coaching on Kixie. To begin, go down to the directory at the bottom left-hand corner of the dialer. We're looking for an active call indicated by the green disc to the left of the agent's name. Give the disc a click and listen in on the call. And we'll start listening in. Neither the agent or the client receive a notification, so you can discreetly monitor your team. If you'd like to join the call as a full member, you can just click Speak, and all three parties will be able to hear each other. To leave Speak, click Mute, and you're taken back out to the main menu, where you can go to Whisper. Whisper allows you to speak with just your agent without the client hearing you, so you can jump in, make a quick note, and jump back out by clicking on Whisper. And to end the call coaching session, just click Hang Up. And that's call coaching.